Today, we are learning how to use a triple beam balance. So, this is called triple beam balance because you've got three beams, three beams. We got our ones beam, our hundreds beam, and our tens beam. So, at the end, we've got it hovering at 0, which makes sense because we're not measuring anything right now. But we're going to put on our Lightning McQueen ka-chow onto the dish, and right away, or the tray, and right away, you see that the arm went all the way to the top. That means he has some mass. Everything has mass. So let's go ahead and weigh and find the mass of Lightning McQueen. So we're gonna first start with the hundreds, and unfortunately, our arm went all the way to the bottom. So that means that Lightning McQueen is less than 100. So we gotta then go to our tens because it's less than 100. So let's go ahead and keep adding them in increments. You gotta stop at the notch. Okay. Try 40, try 50, try 60, and our arm went down. That means Lightning McQueen is lighter than 50 grams, heavier than 50 grams, but lighter than 60. So that means we're gonna go to our previous notch of 50, and it went back up, as you can see, but now we're gonna add the ones. And we're gonna keep moving the ones with the finger until it starts to hover at around 0. So I'm going to keep going. Oh, it's starting to move, so I know I'm getting a little closer to where it needs to be. Now it went down, but let's see. It might level out. It's just about right. It's still a little high, so I'm going to just move it down just one more tenth. That's about right. So let's read it off. So Lightning McQueen has a mass of 50 plus 4, and we have 4 little tick marks, so that's 0.4. So 54.4 is Lightning McQueen's mass. Ka-chow.